Hello, welcome to new video. So in this video we'll see what to do if your car is not responding for your remote control, from the remote control key. So I'm trying to unlock the car or lock the car, there is no response. So if you want to unlock the car, if the remote is not working, see usually for the cars here there will be a slot for open the key. Since in this there is no open one, so it will be hidden, so we need to open. So here if you see there is a small gap, so you need with your key you need to press. So this is how you need to remove the cap. I'm placing here, so and then we'll try to unlock. It got open. We'll close the knob. Later I'll clean this. I think it got sit properly. Okay. So since I'm unable to enter from this side, we'll see whether the other door got open or not. So on this side the door got locked. So from here I'm unable to open. We'll try to open from that side. So I'm trying to open, but it looks like the battery is down. I'm unable to reach my hand, even though I'm pressing. It's not working. So looks like the battery is down. So we'll push this. We'll try to open the door as much as possible. So got the key. We'll see whether it's turning on or not. It's not responding. Looks like the battery is down on the car. We'll try to open the bonnet. The bonnet got open. Okay, so looks like the battery is down. Okay. So the battery is down. I'm unable to start. The car is not responding for any electronics. Even I'm trying to start the car, it's not working. Since the car is not responding, so we conclude that it's a battery issue. So it looks like the battery is completely down. So since there is no nearby mechanic shop or service station to get a jump start or to check the battery condition, so I booked a service on Go Mechanic app. We'll see how they respond, and we'll review Go Mechanic service as well in Bangalore. So the mechanic guy is here. He brought the new battery, so we are changing the battery. The point. Clip. The clamp side.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು
Okay.
ನಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕೋದಿದ್ರಿ
ಹಾಕು.
ಬಿಡಿ
ಹಾಂ ಈ 36 ಏಜ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 44 ಅಂದರೆ
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಶೋರೂಮಿಂದ ಬರೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಈ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇರೋದು ಶೋರೂಮ್.
ಈ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕವರ್ ಬೇಡ,
ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇರಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ 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 ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಟರ್. ಅದು ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ.
ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಬೆಟರ್.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. better scoop.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು.
$13.85 Okay. Just now the mechanic guy has left. He done with replacing the battery. Initially when he changed the battery, it got started and then it was turned off automatically after 2 to 3 minutes. So when I'm starting now, it is just cranking, but it is not starting. So he said that the load is correct, everything on the battery. So he left. Then I called for the roadside assistance Volkswagen. He said that he's saying that the load is not taking, so that's the issue. He said that we'll arrange a mechanic from the Volkswagen showroom. We'll see. We'll wait for him. What he will say.
15 minutes later.
Just now I received a call from roadside assistance Volkswagen. Since it is heavy raining, so he said he'll come tomorrow. We'll see.
Next day.
नहीं है भैया.
बहुत मुश्किल है सर.
कब पूरा डाउन है वो भी नहीं वर्क करा. वो नया बैटरी चेंज कर दिया भैया. नहीं है भैया. हाँ. स्टार्ट करो.
हाँ.
So the battery guy, the mechanic came from roadside assistant from Volkswagen. He checked the battery. He said the battery is good since we changed the new battery. Even though it is not starting. So if you see, the fuel meter is at low, level is at 15 kilometers at too low. So since the car is parked slantly, since the park is parked slantly like this, so the fuel was not getting enough to start the car. So we pushed the car to the level, straight level, instead of from this to this. So now we'll try to start. Here it goes. It started. Looks like everything is normal. So here I got to know that so last time when I parked it, I came straight away from the work and I didn't get a chance to fill up the fuel. So here it goes. So we know that we should not maintain low fuel. Chalo, we'll go and fill the fuel. Okay. was auto cut off. It took 37.36.